Hi, I'm Michael Robinson with Broadcast Beat, and this is Broadcast Asia Live. We're at the RCS booth with Mike Powell. How are you, Mike?
I'm very good. How are you?
I'm doing quite well. So tell us about your company.
Well, RCS is probably one of the longest established broadcast software companies. In fact, next year will be our 40th anniversary, unbelievably.
Congratulations, that's great.
Well, thank you. Our founder really came up initially with the concept of scheduling music by computer.
So let's talk about what you're featuring this year at Broadcast Asia.
Well, the big money maker for us right now is our playout system Zeta. And Zetas is being adopted by some of the largest broadcasters around the world. And that's partly because of its immense flexibility. It's a full enterprise system. In fact, if you're the smallest radio station on Earth, this works for you. If you're the largest broadcasting group on Earth, this works for you. It can do infinite numbers of splits, and yet it's small enough that if you wanted to program your radio station from your laptop or from a tablet or even from a phone, you can do that as well.
So let's talk about automated versus manual programming, because we know that that's a big thing in radio these days. How do you handle that situation?
Well, the beautiful thing about a playout system like Zeta is that it can either operate as a full automated system or look at it as a live assist tool. So, I'm old enough to remember in my radio days where we had turntables, we had carts, and, when a song was on, we were immediately looking for the next material and queuing the song up and all the rest of it. Zeta takes all of that away. It basically frees the presenter up to do what you really want the presenter to do, and that's to be creative. So Zeta is an amazing tool. How you use it is really entirely up to you as the owner of the radio station.
So is it a touch screen system?
Yeah, touch screen, reconfigurable. It can look any way you want. The colorways can be different. The number of, here we're showing some hotkeys, for example. Maybe you want a separate screen with an infinite number of hotkeys. And by the way, you can have an infinite number of hotkeys. There's no limit. How you position it, how you resize it, shape it, what you put it next to. It's absolutely, you can look at 100 different Zeta systems and everyone's configured them differently because you want it configured to your workflow.
Makes sense. Well, Mike Powell, thank you very much from RCS for sharing with me your company's platform.
My pleasure.
I'm Michael Robinson.